guys. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Rhonda Brzozowiec. Excuse me. And I live outside of Buffalo, New York. Oops, in case you can't tell, with the Bills and the Sabres stuff back here, because I'm always representing, right? I'm a huge sports fan. But anyways, I wanted to come on here today really quickly just to give you a couple tips on how to sell without selling. So last year, I started using some of these techniques online, on social media, and it's totally changed my life and the way I do business online and how much business I do online now, right? And we're all looking for success. And this happens to me a lot, especially on Facebook. And I will admit I am guilty because I used to do the same thing, sending all kinds of spammy, unwanted messages through Facebook Messenger, right? And a lot of us are taught that that's the way to do things, but it's not the way to do things. So I'm not going to dwell on the negatives here, because we all know, right, that so many people do that, and that's how they're taught online. Unfortunately, that's what they're taught, and people don't know better. So I'm here to hopefully give you a little bit of insight and some things that you can do to change your experience online and have more success by doing the right things. So how to sell without selling? What are some of the things that you can do to get people coming to you, right? Instead of you going out and constantly trying to get people, and going after people, right? You want to be the hunted and not the hunter, right? That's the correct terminology there. So what are some of the things that I've been doing and been taught recently that are different than what I used to do to have more success? Giving your audience value, like not just constantly putting out things about you or not like about your product or whatever you're selling and stuff like that. Give them like some kind of an added value. So whatever your niche is, whatever you're selling, like teach people things, like actually give them things that they don't know or they might not know. And we become guilty of this. Like a lot of times we think just because we know something, everybody knows it. But there can be simple little things that people truly don't know. And even if some people do know it, you may be helping some people, right? There are going to be people who don't know what you need to share. So give out some free value, just share it either in posts or lives or videos or anything like that. Just give your audience some true value and they will generally appreciate it. It's going to start to grow your know, like, and trust factor, right? Another thing you can do online is to support others. This is a biggie, right? And a lot of us are always looking for support, but are we truly supporting others? It doesn't matter if they're a competitor, if they're in competition, like whatever they're selling is in competition with you. It truly doesn't matter online, right? Because what do we know? People buy people. They don't necessarily buy the product. They do in a little bit of a way if they're looking for something, right? But who are they going to buy from? They are going to buy from a person that they like. They're not going to buy something from somebody that they don't like. So when you are online, show support to everybody, to your friends, to your acquaintances, to people you just met online. And by support, I don't mean like by going in their messenger. If you're on YouTube, go to other YouTube channels when you're watching a video. If you found something of value, like and comment on that video for that person, right? If you're on Facebook, go through your feed. Don't just sit there scrolling through that feed. Stop if you see, people if you got value or you like their post or something they're doing, like and comment on it or love and comment on it or, support them. It doesn't matter what the post is about, right? It doesn't matter if it's about their business. It doesn't matter if it's about their family. It doesn't matter if it's about their dogs or their cats, right? Or what they're sharing. No matter what it's about, support other people. And support on social media goes a long way, right? So if you want support, you need to support others first. And I've been doing that, and it has made my online experience so much better. I can't even tell you. So that's another tip there. Here's another one. Share your personal stories, okay? Just share some of your experiences with whatever you're trying to sell. People are going to relate to you, right? So share the problem that you were having and then share how it got solved. You don't have to talk about the product or the program or what, the coaching program or whatever, the product that you're selling. You don't have to talk about that. Just talk about whatever the problem it was that you had and now how you have results, okay? So share your personal stories. People want to relate to you, and they will relate to you because some of these people will have been having the same problems. So share personal stories. And my last tip for the day is to show proof. Show proof. Proof trumps all. It really does. And that is one of the biggest things I've learned. So I saved that for last. So proof trumps all. People want to see proof. Before and afters are great, right? Or just your results. Show your results with whatever you've had. You don't even have to talk about the company or the product or the program. All you have to do is show some kind of proof and pique their curiosity about what you're doing. And these are some great tips, and they are things that I have implemented in the last year that have truly helped me sell without selling, right? So I hope these tips have helped you. And if they did, please like and share this video and comment on it and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be adding more content like this. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon.